finally making a giant marquee letter alphabet, this time out of metal. We have 31 letters to go. After this time lapse, there's gonna be a summary of what we're doing. But if you're really interested in the build process, skip ahead as the latter part of this video really slows down to the kind of the boring, let's build this details. Hey, what's going on? So we made these wooden letters, marquee letters, as you can see here. This is the L, obviously, and here's the number 1. So that's the first correctly created marquee letter number that I made. I made one to compare to the L. Well, I made the L, right, out of metal first. As you can see, here it is. Well, obviously there's a problem with this, so I messed up majorly on this.
I'm not gonna say that. I'll just say, like, yeah, you're gonna post up the messed up one you did though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
I did it backwards. So I just started welding this together, and I completely forgot that, well, there's an orientation. There's a proper orientation to do this in, and I just completely didn't think about it. So I messed the first one up, which is a shame. Let's call it the practice piece. But here's the first properly made one, number 1. And yeah, we're just welding them together. We shipped 10 sheets of metal to a water jet place. Used online plans in the description to have these cut out, including the edging pieces. And now we're just welding everything together. So it comes all numbered, well numbered. That's courtesy of the water jet place, although the plans had the part numbers, and the water jet place actually put the correct part numbers where they're supposed to go. But it's actually quite easy, especially for the simpler letters. You kind of, you know where the longest piece goes based on kind of the shape and the dimensions. You can figure it out barely without any kind of looking at the plans, except maybe for the like W is fairly complicated. But yeah, we're just welding these together, tack welding, so it's not taking too long. And I'll show you in a bit there's some footage of us tack welding it together. We're gonna grind all this excess stuff off, and we're gonna silicone it and either paint it or powder coat it. I'm gonna get a bunch of quotes to see the cost of powder coating. Powder coating obviously would be kind of the better way to go. And yeah, we ordered, out of 10 sheets, we got 31 letters, but now we're shipping more sheets to get even more letters. We're gonna have the whole alphabet, multiples of like the popular letters and numbers. So A is popular, E is popular, what else? L is actually pretty popular, B is popular, and a few, and then like 0 is popular. You might want to do like 100 year anniversary. So multiple of those, but yeah, 10 sheets of 4x8 sheet metal, just regular steel, got us 31 letters and numbers that we kind of chose out of the kind of the most popular ones. We wanted Mr. and Mrs., we wanted love, and all these kind of popular sayings. So we made sure we ordered the correct letters and numbers, and actually I can put that in the description to show you what we ordered. I don't know if it's the perfect combination of letters, numbers, but that's what we ordered. And yeah, we're excited to have a metal version. Hopefully it kind of lasts a long time. It's nice and durable. People can throw it around a little bit more than the wooden ones. The wooden ones are actually, to some extent, like a bit fragile. You want to take care of them. You want to wrap them around. They collect dust a little bit. So we're excited to have a metal set and see how that works. Because the metal edging is a bit thinner, it's gonna look a little bit sleeker. Well, we'll see how it looks once the lights are in there, once it's painted. I think we're gonna be painting it white. Yeah, so that's it. That's the kind of the beginning of the journey of the Marquee metal set that we're gonna be building in over the next month or 2. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this number 1 Marquee letter. Okay, it's gonna be exciting. It's our first letter, so it's kind of well suited. It's number 1. It's an easy letter because there's not that many edges. And let's get going. Let's weld this thing together. It's not that hard. What I'm using is welder and these 90-degree magnets. They're gonna be super helpful with making this. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with one piece first.
Oh, me? We were. Oh, you guys. Yeah, come on.
Guys, take it easy. We'll see you later. Let's get some business done.